looking at a few substitution questions with functions using the f of x notation. So this notation is asking me to put a 0 wherever we see an x in the original function. Here's the original function. F of x equals 3x take x squared plus 2. We have asked to put a 0 in where the x is. So 0 has gone here. So where this x is, I'm going to put a 0. Where this x is, I'm going to put a 0. Notice I put it inside a bracket. That way helps me take care of negative signs and all sorts of other issues. So f of 0 is 3 times 0 is 0. Take 0 squared is 0 plus 2. F of 0 equals 2. So the old way of doing this would have been, let x equal to 0, calculate a value for f. So this notation, such and such, takes place of that sentence. Okay, so in essence, our favourite maths word of all is the star of the show here. Wonder if I can spell this correctly today. Yes, indeedy. Right, next section. So the question is f of x equals 3x take x squared plus 2. Find the value of, happens to be question 1. F of 3 equals 3 minus something squared plus 2. We're going to replace the x with 3. This particular question, this is 9. 3 squared is 9. Subtract the 3 squared plus 2. And we also have 2. F of 3 equals 2. On a graph, this would be the 3 is the x value. And f would be doing the same job as what y was doing before. This hasn't been asked for this question. So this is the other way of doing this, is 3, 2. This is the y value or the f value, and here is the x value. So 3 across and 2 up. Or 3, f of 3, where f is the height. So these are pretty straightforward substitutions. I'll quickly go through a couple more. So f of minus 3 equals 3 bracket take bracket squared plus 2. In this case we have minus 3 in here. It's where brackets are important. So this is minus 9, 3 times 3, positive times negative. So first up, let's do the squaring part. Minus 3 squared, I hope we're all agreed, is plus 9. And then times by minus sign out the front is minus. And so we have minus 18 plus 2. Straight underneath, we'll try f of minus 7 equals 3 bracket minus bracket bracket squared plus 2. I always put the brackets in, so I know I'm going to put whatever this number is, or in the next question where this isn't an actual number. So here we get minus 21. 7 squared is 49. Subtract 49 plus 2. Wow. Minus 70 plus 2 looks to be a bit like minus 68, I think. So that's substitution.